Hi, my name is Christine. I'm a wound and ostomy nurse and I work for HPFY. I'd like to talk with you about using an Aquaguard Moisture Barrier Dressing. This is perfect for covering up dressings, keeping them free of moisture if you're showering, and also for drains or tube insertion sites. So it's available in multiple sizes. It seals on all four edges. It prevents water from getting in and your wound or drain site being exposed to waterborne bacteria. It's easy to apply, and if you're using it on a joint such as an elbow or a knee, you do want to use it one size bigger so it accommodates the bending of that joint. This product is available on HPFY.